Hi plant friends, we're back at Terra. Let's get into some plant shopping. The Christmas cactus, Thanksgiving cactus, the little 2.5-inch pots are in stock. They're $5 each. And the buds are just ready to pop open. They've got some syngoniums. $6 for the syngoniums. And check out the hanging basket with the peperomia hope. It's $18. The spider plant in the hanging basket's also $18. And these string of pearls sort of look like string of tears actually. They're also $17. Now these are the variegated string of pearls for the same price. They've got some small little alocasias in little 2.5-inch pots. They're priced at $6. The African violets and the calathea. African violets are $6 as well. Oh, this is so adorable. $10 for the ZZ plant. It's like the ZZ raven. The strawberry begonia. Strawberry begonia is $6. Oh, I love seeing that. They've got a good selection of 2.5-inch pots, priced at $6. They've got the Tradescantia bubblegum. Bubblegum is so pretty. The bird nest sansevierias. And check out these crypthanthus, the colors. Just nice and vibrant. These prefer to stay on the moist side. I don't like to let mine dry out. We've got some peperomias. Oh, look at this fern. What a cute little pot of the fern. And for $6. This looks so cute. The Pelia. Wow, you can pick up the Pelia in a 2.5-inch pot for $6. Some more of those African violets. And African violets like to stay moist. I like their idea of the tray and put them in water so they can slowly drink up. The olive tree is $15. They've got some Pelias. And the Hoya. Ooh, they've got a few Hoyas here. $6 as well. Matilda with the freckles. Curtisii. Curtisii is so nice. One of my favorites, you know, it's a basic Hoya, but I really enjoy it. Sigillatus, look at Sigillatus. And for $6. I like the leaves on the Sigillatus. They've got the Crimson Queen. And this little guy. I've seen this one and I can't remember the name. $6. believe I saw it at Calisantes, yes. $6 for the Bertonii. The variegation looks really good on this. But these price points right now is just the best time to be collecting the Hoyas. This looks like a Lacanosa, probably an Arctic. Beautiful leaves. And they've got the pubicalyx. A nice little selection of Hoyas. They've got Hoya australis. Yeah, this freckled leaf beauty really speaks to me. There's something about those leaves. There's some jade plants in here. They've got the Gollum jade. Wow, also priced at $6. I love that the price point is consistent in this area. Look at these baby toes. Wow, seeing them in the tray, I can just imagine baby toes in a nice 8-inch basket. These are $12 each. And boy, do they look really good. Some burro's tail, ripsalis back here, and the sansevierias. A string of pearls. These are looking really good. For the $6 price point, they've got some succulents. There's echeverias in here. The smaller peperomia hope in the 2.5-inch pot, some haworthias. And how much is the lithops? 2 little cuties in a pot for $8. And a few have 3 in the pot. They also have succulents in the 3.5-inch pots that are priced from $8. Some echeverias, haworthias, dragon fruit, agave. Are these? Yes, it looks like a pineapple. 50% off. It's actually an agave, artificial. Oh, it tricked me. I was absolutely fooled by that. Then you've got the jade. No, look at this. These variegated fairy tale cactus. They look so good. Wow. This looks like a fresh restock because they look absolutely pristine. And they're $25 each. Now this one's an aloe, and it's definitely real. Ooh, look at this. That's a beautiful echeveria. For $15. The 6-inch pots for $15, not too bad. They're all stocked up for the holiday season with these slumbergeras that are just about to pop open. We've got some more haworthias, the aloes. Aloes in 4-inch pots for $8 each. Take a look at these terrariums. They're They're really cute. A good idea. Something fun. It looks like they're priced at $60 each. Looks like a nice project. Now they do have a selection of tropicals, and we're going to explore this area because this is quite affordable. The polka dot plant, $8. The pink princess is $20. They've got some Thai constellations tucked in here. Wow, Thai constellation is now a common house plant. And the Thai constellation, do we have a price on this? $30 for their 4-inch Thai constellation. These syngoniums are lovely with their rusty brown color. I love this foliage. They're $8 each. And they also have this variety. They've got the peace lily. The peace lily is $13. And plant friends, look at this, the Episkea. I love that more and more stores are carrying the Episkea. It's $8, 4-inch pot. Monstera deliciosa, if you just want a little plant to start off with, these are $10. No fenestrations just yet. The ZZ plant. ZZ plant is $15. And look, they've got more varieties of the sansevierias. ZZ plants. The Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. And these are 10 each. Now these Dieffenbachias, $8. Nice freckles. They've got the silver sword. The silver sword's ready to be trellised. $8. More sansevierias in the back. The moonshine, the Laurenti. They've got the ficus, burgundy and taniki. Oh, look at the variegation on this. The ficus for $15. Oh, look at these Green Valley. Really good size on these. They're $8 each. The foliage and the texture, it's so interesting. And they've got ferns. We saw these earlier. The bird nest, crispy wave fern, and the button fern. Ferns, I find them high maintenance. They need a lot of water, and these are priced at $8 each. This one's about to bloom. Just a wonderful selection. You've got ivy, more of the bubble gum. The Scindapsus, $8. So you can see a majority of the plants in this section are priced at $8. They've got the pothos, the string of turtles. And here's a list of the plants that are pet friendly. The peperomia, Rex begonia, coffee plant, bella palm, dracaenas and dieffenbachias. Thanks for joining me on a shopping trip, plant friends. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on Instagram at Life of Bellina.